Marhaba. Today I will talk about the transportation. How are you, friends? I'm Sean. People start to walk with their foot. After that, they start to use animals and depend on it. Oh, this car is not good at all. And this is another kind of old cars. I feel comfortable in this car, but it's not perfect. Inventors didn't stop in these inventions. They start to invent a new vehicles to make the transportations more easier. So they invent this vehicle and it's called train. But from 1960s to 1990 we had these classic cars. Oh, I like this Mercedes. But nowadays we have a new car. May I know you, lady? Oh, I wonder how the future will be. Please, can I go with you? Oh my god, I'm flying! Goodbye, my friends and Mr. Brandon, and I hope you like my project.